Alright, here's a situation that may arise if you change out and disconnect the cable going to the rear hub, error 24. And an easy way to fix this is first turn off the bike and then come down here to the connection cable, and it's being held on with a couple of zip ties. Snap those off, and what you want to do is pull the connection apart. You can see one was misaligned there. Gotta be very careful with that. And there's a couple arrows that line up, and I want to get that pin straightened up a little bit more, because those will line up with each other. And if you see on here, there's an arrow here and there's an arrow right there. So what you want to do is make sure those arrows are lined up. That one is still a little bit cocked. I'm going to try this again. Hopefully we don't screw it up. There's our arrow there. There's our arrow here. It should all line up. It's just cocked over just a little bit. These look like they're pretty good. Make sure your arrows are pointing each other. And once they're together, give them a good snug push together, and we'll see if that's worked. Turn your power back on, and there your error 24 disappeared. That's how you get rid of the error 24. It's also going to tell you after you've got everything put back together and the error is gone, you're going to take a couple of zip ties around those cables and secure those in place. One in front of the connector and one in the back of the connector. That way they won't be able to wiggle loose as freely as if there was nothing there. And then what you want to do is just snip your excess, maybe about a ½ inch from the zip tie. And there you go. That's how you take care of the error 24.